In this video, we'll show you how you can stop your screen from turning off during calls. So by default on all Android phones, the screen turns off as soon as you cover the proximity sensor which is located at the top. Now if you don't want that to happen, what you can do is open the settings app, scroll all the way down and then tap on about phone. Now here tap on software information. Now here you should see a build number. Simply tap on it multiple times rapidly and then enter your pin. Now select OK to enable developer options menu. Now go back to the main settings page and you'll see a new entry called developer options. Simply tap on it. Now here tap on this quick settings developer tiles and here turn on this sensors off toggle. Once you do this, head to your quick settings panel and you'll see this option called sensor off. You might also see it here in some phones. Simply tap on it and now the proximity sensor will no longer work. So if I go to the call screen and try to cover the proximity sensor after this, the screen won't turn off. Now anytime you want to disable this, simply come back to this quick settings toggle and turn off this sensor off icon.